avocado and eggs. It's breakfast magic. Get ready for the Avocado Egg Boats Express, where every bite is a flavor-packed adventure. Stay tuned, foodies. Breakfast bliss awaits. It's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Don't miss out on this recipe. Your shortcut to morning joy. Let's kick off the fun by warming up your oven to a cozy 425 degrees. We're about to experience a delightful culinary adventure that will have your taste buds celebrating with a happy dance. So for the ingredients, you'll need the following items: 1 avocado, 2 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, hot sauce of your choice, and chopped chives to taste. So guys, let's start cooking. Now grab that luscious avocado, the star of the show. Cut it in half, remove the pit, and with a spoon, make a little room in the center. We're making space for the main event, our eggs. Crack open those eggs and carefully place the yolk in each of the avocado halves. And don't forget, presentation is key. Pop those green gems into a small oven-safe dish so they stand tall and proud. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper on each boat. Now into the oven they go. Bake for 15 minutes if you're dreaming of a runny yolk, or extend it to 20 minutes for an egg that's fully set. Ding! Ties up, and the magic has happened in that oven of yours. Just look at those beauties. But we're not done yet. Top it off with a generous sprinkle of chives for that fresh kick, and if you're feeling adventurous, a drizzle of your favorite hot sauce. Now here comes the fun part. Grab a good piece of bread and spread the goodness. And there you have it, folks, our avocado baked egg boats, ready to take your breakfast game to a whole new level. Join us next time for more culinary adventures. Until then, happy cooking.